you to know that I love you. No matter what, ari lang ko di. I'm not a perfect mother, but I will do all my best for you. I hope na ma-enjoy mo gid ang party tonight and always wear a smile.
Like the sun above, make the darkness run. The dawn is here, the day has come. Like the moon and stars, bright as gold outshine, the greatest of all time. The world is mine. The world is mine. The world is mine. My name on the throne, the crown and the gold. I'll make it all known. The world is mine.
Happy, healthy, and blessed 18th birthday, Sha. We love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Manasha. I love you.
Hi Chanel, happy 18th birthday. Excited to see mo para karon and you know how much I love you and continue lang to do good sa imo school and we are so proud of you. We love you so much. Mwah.
Now that you're 18, there's still a long journey ahead of you, and I'm so excited to witness it. I love you, Shell. I hope that you grow up to be the wonderful girl that you are. So again, happy birthday, Chanel. Blessing na nakagrow up ka together. I'm proud of the person that you have become and always know that you have the potential in you to be whatever you want to be. As being a very talented person, Chanel is also a very, very wise person. Biskan mag-recite pa na siya sa classroom, mabilib ka ginaya sa iya. And with that, I've learned a lot of things from her and I always see a new perspective whenever she gives advice.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a night of glamour, beauty, sophistication, and transition. This is Chanel Lewis's 18th birthday celebration.
Love you
So
so
much! Saranghen!
Need to be kind to yourself. Don't feel pressure. Bala, hindi kang pakasubo. And there's so much life ahead you pa. So, don't surrender. And also, fight kung ano man ang ginaano mo per me. So, that's all. And I love you.
Pray ko lang kita permisi mo. Please be strong. Please be healthy. Happy. Always wear a smile. Pero thankful gid ako kadamo gid sa nagapalangga kay siya. Very gapasalamat gid ako. Kay wala niyo gid ginapabayaan si Chanel.
In behalf kay daddy mo, balo ko ano ka love ni daddy, and that's it. Just enjoy the party. I love you.